Jeff Keenan here with the modern spare tire for the Tesla Model 3. Now about the modern spare. The modern spare fits all variants of the Model 3, including performance. It'll clear the performance brake calipers. I know that's an issue with a lot of other wheels, but they've designed this thing so it will fit the performance in all the other Model 3s. Now, there's been a lot of reviews out there that show people installing the modern spare tire. I'm going to assume you already know how to do that. No one really shows how to store the modern spare. That's what you're going to want to do. And do you really need a spare in Tesla? Yeah, you need one in any car. I've taken road trips and had blowouts in the middle of nowhere, and you want to be able to rely on yourself and not hope Tesla will get there. How big is this modern spare? It's about 28 inches wide, and it weighs about 45 pounds, but it's only 7 inches tall, so that's good. Once you put it inside the trunk, there's still plenty of room to put other things. You can see I put a full-size carry-on in here on top of the spare, so there's still plenty of room for your luggage. As far as securing this thing, I installed some D-rings, and I'm using these red bungee cords to connect to the case. It's got the loops on the case so you can easily secure it now. There's quite a delay between ordering and shipping. I ordered this on Amazon. I'll put the link below. And if you order direct from Modern Tire, there's actually a 3-month delay. I got it a little faster by ordering it on Amazon, so I recommend doing that. Again, this is the modern spare for the Tesla Model 3 Performance. I'll put a link below. Please remember to like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications for more Tesla, Wi-Fi, and tech product reviews.